La 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 la. Wow, this is big river, and here is collecting box. Let's take it. Wow, look guys, a lot of toys near river. So now I will collect these toys. And first one is jeep car. Wow, this is monster jeep car. Look how huge. It's a big and beautiful. Wow, look guys. And here is new jeep car. Wow, new jeep car. Look, it's beautiful. Wow. So I'm collecting this, and it's a big monster truck. Wow, it's beautiful, and it's huge, and it's loading car. Okay, you can load sand and stone as well. Okay, so I am putting this also. Okay, so this one is excavator. Wow, this is power excavator. Okay, and this is so new toys, my new collection toys. Wow, and it is train bus toys. So this is joint of train and bus, and this is Ben 10. Do you know Ben 10? This is Ben 10. Okay, I'm collecting this also, and it's very beautiful, and it got 6 wheels, and the color is yellow and green. Wow guys, wow, look, this is electric robot, and this is my new collection. Okay, but I can't wash it, I can't put in water because it is electric robot. And here is wink mini exhibitor. Wow, la 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 la. Ooh. And now this is big truck toys. Wow, truck toys. Whoa. So here is my collections today. So next video we'll see you again. Bye bye.